Azure Backup in the cloud-based backup solution that protect your data and workload by the creating copy of the file, VM and database or application that ensure data recovery in case of the accidental deletion, corruption and ransomware attacks. So backups is normal. We take the backups. Same thing in Azure backups is also used if your data is corrupted or accidentally deleted. So we can use the backup. So Azure backup create the daily basis snapshot of your VM. If your VM is accidentally deleted, or so that you can restore it from the backup. Recovery and Azure Site Recovery. Azure Site Recovery is the disaster recovery service that replicates workload from the one location to another location to ensuring the business connectivity. Right. It helps you to application to available during the planned and unplanned outage. That I also explained very detail in the previous parts. I don't know, approx 4 or 5 part was there in which I explained about the what is the recovery, what is the redundancy, right? But again, we are discussing about this work. Recovery works with the both Azure VM and the non-prem on-prem servers. Your primary data center goes down due to a power outage. At that time, recovery will work. Azure Site Recovery automatically fails over the VM to the Azure region. User continue working within the minimal downtime. So these are the things of the all your recovery. Logs. Log analytics is the analytics is the part of the analytics can say is the part of Azure monitoring that can collect and analyze the logs and telemetry from the Azure resources and on-prem systems that allow you to query, visualize, and gain insight using the Visto query language. That collect the logs from the multiple VMs and CPU uses, fail login attempts, and desktop. So these are the logs related to the logs. Diagnostic setting. Diagnostic setting allow you to configure the Azure resources to send the metrics and logs to destination like log analytics, storage account, and event hubs. Ensure you have a persistent monitoring and auditability. Enable diagnostic setting on the storage account. Logs are read, write, and delete operations sent to the log activity. Metrics for capacity and performance sent to the Azure monitor. How they work, how all these four works together. Backup, Azure Site Recovery, Diagnostic Setting, and Log Analytics. Backups protect your data. Azure Site Recovery protect your application from the regional or infrastructure outage. Diagnostic Setting send the log metrics to Log Analytics. Log Analytics analyze log and create alert to monitor the health and resources. Component purpose and example. Azure Backup protect data. Azure Site Recovery disaster for use for disaster recovery. Log Analytics analyze logs and telemetry. Diagnostic setting that configure the log metrics collection. Example and uses. Daily basis. If we talk about the Azure Backup, daily basis they take the VM snapshot file for recovery. Azure Site Recovery failure VM to another region during the outage. Log Analytics identify the failed login high CPU uses and disk errors. Diagnostic settings send the storage account logs to the login.